What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're joining the Batman crewmate from Among Us. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page with the top edge of the visor. Starting right in the center of our page, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and then bend that down on the outside. Now let's round out the side of the visor. Going back to the left, just going to curve this out and then back in. Go to the right side, go in the opposite direction and then in towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, curve this down and then up. Let's add that shadow line across the bottom of the visor. Starting from the top left, we're going to come down, across, and then up on the right. Let's go to the top right of the visor and draw on the top of the head. Starting up here, we're going to step in, curve the head going up, and then across. And then we'll overlap the left ear on top of the head. From this line, we're going to step down, curve this up, and then bend that out. I'm just going to pull this back in towards the side of the head. Starting at the top, come in, and then straight down. Now we're going to tuck the right ear in behind the head. So from the bottom, we're going to step in, follow that same curve, going up, and then out, and then taper that out, and then back down on top of the head. Now we're going to go back and draw on the left side of the body. Starting at the base of the ear, curve the body going out, come down, and then bend that in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side, come straight down, and then bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start back on the left, curve the foot, coming down, and then up. Go to the right side, do the same thing. I'm going to leave a gap in between the feet. And then from the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body. And we'll curve the body going out and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add in the top edge of the boot. Starting from the left side of the foot, we're going to step up, just follow that same curve, coming down and then up. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's move up and draw that bat symbol underneath the visor. Starting right in the middle, start with a curve, coming down and then up like a half circle. And then from the top, draw two straight lines coming down. And we'll round out the top of the wings. Starting back on the left, go out, then hook that in, and do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the side of the wing. Start from the top left, go out, and then pull that back in. And then going back to the left side, curve this up, and then down on both sides. Then we'll curve this up and then down towards the center point. Going up and then down. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the belt. Starting from the left side, just going to curve this down the middle, and then back up, step down, and draw that twice. Let's go to the center of the belt and draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll move to the right and draw a line for the side of the buckle. Let's go back over towards the left, step in, draw another line, leave a gap, and draw that again. Let's add the backpack on the left side of the body. Starting from the very top, curve this out and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and then up, and we'll connect the top and bottom with a slight curve, going out and then back in. Let's layer the cape in behind the body. From the top of the backpack, we're going to step up, curve the cape, going out, and then down towards the side. Let's line this up on the right side of the visor, curve out, and then down towards the same height. Let's go back over towards the left, curve this up, and then down, curve this up and in towards the side of the body. Let's go over towards the right side, curve this up, and then down. And that's pretty much it. There's our Batman crewmate from Among Us. You can check out more of our crewmate and imposter creations in our Among Us playlist. I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.